I'm Wiley Blake, co-president of the Orange Avenue School PTA.
And I'm Kara Flannery, the other co-president of the Orange Avenue PTA. Welcome to Open House.
The goal of the PTA is to engage families and enrich the learning environment for our students. We really try to focus on making it a welcoming environment for parents and for kids. One of the ways we did that was with our kindergarten playdates this summer. We hope that if you're a kindergarten parent, you were able to bring your child to one of those. We really hope that it helped to alleviate nerves and maybe form a few friendships early on so that kids were excited about school. We really try to weave a welcoming thread through all of the activities that we do here at school. We want you to feel invited to engage at whatever level you can, whether that's for an hour or two during the week, or a weekend event in the evening, or if you can even give us your time on a committee. We'd love to have you.
We have had such an amazing start this year. We had families coming to help spruce up the school before opening day. We had kindergarten playdates. We had an amazing welcome back picnic and a fabulous turnout at our first PTA meeting, and we have so much more coming up that we're planning for the year.
That's right. We have a lot of opportunities to support our teachers in the classroom by being a classroom parent.
We have fun family events like Trunk or Treat coming up on October 20th. We have a holiday fair on November 30th. And let's not forget Screen Free Week. And we also have Spirit Day at the end of the year.
We also support the arts and academic learning through our after-school programs. We offer a wide range of things for kids to get involved in. And we have our drama club, which is really popular here at the school. And our Scholastic Book Fairs twice a year.
And we love to build community. Building a community is one of the core missions of the PTA. And to that end, this year we're launching a new tool called Membership Toolkit. And we invite you all to go to the Membership Toolkit website. We invite you to log in and create an account. And by doing so, you will automatically join our email list and email updates on what's happening with the PTA. With a click, you'll be able to sign in and volunteer for any opportunity that we have. And if you're a PTA member, you'll be able to log into our membership directory and connect with other members of the PTA that way. We also have an app that makes it really easy for you. So we hope you'll consider joining the Membership Toolkit website. We'll be sending out information in classroom folders and via email on how to join. If you stop by the PTA table tonight, I can show you a live demonstration of Membership Toolkit and all it has to offer.
You can also join the PTA right on the spot and sign up if you're interested in volunteering at our events. Let's have a great year.
I'm Joe Apicella, principal of this amazing school. I'm joined here with Mrs. Selesky, our teacher leader, and our good friend and mascot, Leo. With their help, we'll be reviewing some of the procedures to ensure that you and your son and daughter have an amazing school year.
We hope that you enjoy the open house here at Orange Ave, where we take pride in ourselves, each other, and school.
Leo is being walked to the front doors by an adult. Leo is careful to use the sidewalk and crosswalk and not to walk in the center part of the parking lot so that he is safe.
Leo loves using our drop-off loop.
It is safe and convenient for everyone. Staff is available to assist any grade student to get to his or her classroom from the drop-off doors. Notice that Leo's driver pulls all the way up as far as he can before he is let out. He isn't dropped off by the front doors, blocking the fire lane and impeding traffic. Leo wasn't feeling well in class, so he visited our school nurse, Mrs. Patty Rappa. She will call the parent, and the student must be picked up in a reasonable amount of time so we can get Leo's germs out of the school. Since Leo is sick and has a fever, he will stay home and shouldn't come back to school until he is fever-free for 24 hours. This helps keep all the students and staff healthy. Here you can see Leo dropping off a note from his parents to Miss Maggie Germanise, our school secretary, about his absence yesterday. What you didn't see is the phone call that Leo's mom made yesterday when he was going to be absent. Please keep in mind how important it is to be in school every day and on time. A phone call does not make an excused absence. Unnecessary absences, tardy arrivals, early departures should be minimized so that our students are here and available to learn. Also, if Leo isn't in school each day, his classmates and teacher will miss him. Mrs. Cindy Samela is our greeter. Here you can see Leo using the call box to the left of the doors to announce his purpose for visiting. You can then see him check in with Mrs. Samela and showing his identification and getting his visitor pass. Are you wondering about visiting during lunchtime? In the past, OAS has had extra rooms to allow for lunchtime visits. As Orange Avenue has grown, we now only have limited spaces for these visits. Lunchtime visits are limited to Fridays due to spacing. If you wish to have lunchtime visit, please arrange your visit with Mrs. Samela, our greeter, at least a day prior to ensure a room is available. Lunchtime visits also should not include peanut products, and be sure to use the paper towels and sink to wash down the tables after you visit. Also this year, we are implementing our Positive Paws program. Students are awarded a paw for exceeding the behavioral expectations.
Wow, Leo, I love the way you're walking in the hallway. Terrific job.
Positive Paws can be awarded by any STEPS member, and the students are then entered in a weekly raffle. The students are also given a sticker to remind them of their good work. If your son or daughter comes home with a Positive Paw sticker, be sure to ask them about it.